What is up, guys? This is Amazing Game here, and this ain't really going to be a video because I'm just going to be showing you this cool clutch lightning spell that I just did. Everybody watched it. It is awesome. In my clan. So we are in war. So this one right here. Wait, I didn't share it. Oh. Okay, so first thing I do, I just pick off all the outside. I get that. And I pick up all the outside stuff. So I get all that. And after I get all that, the clutch happens right here. See where the wall is? Just wait. See where the wall is right there? And then those two. Watch. Those go in. Boom. Clutch part. Boom, boom. I got 47%. Both of them died. 50%. That was a clutch. That was the coolest thing I've ever done. So that's the video that I'm going to be doing because I can't do an attack. And all my buildings are going. So I got Dark Barracks. And then I got that going to level 8. So next thing I'm probably going to be doing these. Or the upgrades that I didn't do yet. So like these. Bye.